Hi, I'm Jacob Bowens, and I'll be doing water demand. Okay, how high is the water demand in Hawaii? Water demand in Hawaii is fairly high, and we use around 13,000 gallons of water a month. This water goes to household appliances like a shower, or watering your garden, or washing your hands. How much does it cost to get the water to all the houses in Hawaii? The average water bill per person is around $46. So if you multiply that by the population, which is 1,283,388 people at the moment, it would cost around 56 million to get water to each house, which is a lot. What area of the island has the highest water demand? According to the Board of Water Supply, a lot of the water goes to Waianae because it's very populated. They also stated that the watershed in Waianae helps them get the water to places faster, so more water gets to more places. Is the water demand higher in Hawaii since we are surrounded by water? Actually, it's not. Oahu has a decent amount of watersheds with fresh water, so we don't have to desalinize water to have salt water become drinking water. It's also really expensive, so there's not really a point in it unless we didn't have watersheds. Is the demand for drinking water higher than the demand for household water? Oahu drinks around 146 billion gallons of water a year, and each house uses around 53,000 gallons a year. You can conclude that demand for household water is higher than the demand for drinking water, because if you multiply that one household by a whole bunch of other households, it will obviously be higher than the drinking amount. We also use more water in showers and stuff than drinking, because if you think about it, if you can't really drink all the water you use in a shower in a day. Do we import our drinking water? Most of Hawaii's drinking water comes from here, but some of the bottled water comes from the mainland. There's a lot of the brands that say it's from Hawaii, and usually they are, but some of them aren't. And we import those, in Costco, you get those water bottles, and they're all in that bundle. We import those, but we don't import drinking water like from the faucet or some bottles. In which season is water demand the highest? Water demand in Hawaii is steady throughout the year, with a slight spike during the summer then they speculate it's because that people are watering their plants more because of the heat. There was one year where our summer wasn't that hot and the water demand was not as high, so they also speculated. That's how it's speculated, because the water demand wasn't as high, which means they weren't watering their plants as much. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy my water part and my presentation. I hope you liked it.